Hi. 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 Hi, guys. What is up? We're gonna be playing some Call of Mini. Hope you enjoy it. Okay. Alright. It's pitch black right now. Hold up. We're waiting for it. Alright. Play. You saw my other video, there was no sound. There should be sound on this. And yeah. I just wanted to show y'all how the game. I didn't really want the sound on because I was all tired. It was the morning. Y'all know what I mean, right? Okay. Alright, if you don't know what you do in this for the multiplayer, you have to like kill this big dinosaur. I guess, yeah, that's literally what you do. And I guess it gets harder each time you like kill one. It's harder every time. See, I like this weapon a lot. Let's go. Come on, man. I mean, it's what? 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 Oh, yeah. That was in bullcrap. Oh my gosh. Okay. That thing was strong. Alright, guys, let's go. Let's go again. I remember. This was my first time. This was like the first place. Wait a minute. This is different. Yeah, this is way different. Alright, come on, let's go. I always just like run away. It doesn't really make any sense. Alright, let's go, Dinos. Come on, Dino. Come on, Dinosaur. It won't freaking... Come on. Yeah, what's up? What's up, dinosaurs? What y'all gonna do? Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I think this makes it more damage. Yeah. Let's go. The boss's shield is down. Oh my god. That was so funny. And I had him too. But my team was all dead. That sucks. Alright, let's go again. Yeah. Let's go hunting. Let's go. So like, oh my god, I know this place. They have like different places that you can go to. You don't get to choose, it chooses by itself. You also really try this game out. It's really fun. Like if you just want a game where you can just have fun online, or not even online. You don't even have to play this online. There's a mission section. You should try it out. Alright, let's go. Oh, dang, that's new. I have not seen him. Am I? No, I'm not the only one. Oh, God. This is probably going to be the hardest one. Because they got these guys. Watch this. Here they come. got nothing on me. Come on, let's go. Nope. Yeah, what is up? Oh, dang. Oh my god, guys. I'm still new, so it's not that great. Okay, recording. So, let's see. Black market. Let's see what we can do there. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's pretty cool, guys. Alright, so I don't have any of that. I'm really broke. Wish I had money to buy stuff. Okay. Forge. We're gonna go in here. See if we can make anything yet. Where do we get stage 2? Oh, I know we need to equip that. Hold up. No. The shotgun's doing good. Whoa. Whoa. Let's do let's do some missions now. We're gonna do some missions. Whoa. Missions. Alright. Okay, so I don't know what you have to do in this. I guess you just kill everything. Ooh. Powerful shotgun. I can blast dinosaurs away. It's crazy. Alright. We're going around. Okay, I know I saw something over there too. We're just gonna... Okay, fine, let's try it. Ooh! Ooh! Come on. Let's go. Come at me one more time. Come on. Oh. No. Did y'all see that? Dang. Let's go. Okay, come on. Ooh, coin. Oh my god. Yeah, that's right. Yo, get some of that. You have to chase the bullets by getting it all up in your face if you don't. Who doesn't like bullets? If you don't like bullets, then you're weird. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Yeah! How y'all doing? What is up? Still new. Okay. Okay, let's make some camp. Oh, good. Actually, I want that thing. Hey, let's look. Let's see if we can do anything. Whoa. Uh-oh. Hold up. Whoa, guys. Let's look at... Oh, my God. Alright, let's just start off being a noob. Nothing wrong with being a noob. Just not as good. Okay. Why won't it let me? We have 2? Oh man, that sucks. Alright, let's do another mission. Let's do another one. Okay. Alright.
Take a shower? What? I said earlier to take a shower.
Okay, so. Oh no, it's the big dinosaur. Oh no. It's the big dinosaur. Uh-oh. Oh god. Where is it? Where is it? What is that? Y'all see that? Yeah. Uh-oh. I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh god. Help. How do they expect me to kill you if I can hardly kill it with the team? Go away. Seriously, just go away. I didn't do anything to you besides kill some of your friends. I mean, they were just little tiny ones too. What do you care? I've seen those movies. Jurassic World, Jurassic Park. They don't care for their babies. Come on, boy, let's go, let's go. Actually, they don't care for their kind. That's what I mean. Their babies they do care for. Come on. Oh, I'm in a good position. Let's go. Oh, no. Crap, crap, crap. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Crap. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, stop, please.
Go.
Okay, hold up. Okay. Okay. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep. Almost done. Yes! 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 Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yay! Yay! We did it! We did it! Stage clear. Take off. Yay! Okay. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Leave a like. Goodbye.